your WordPress site feels like it's stuck in 2011, loading slow while your competitors zoom ahead, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to break down why your WordPress site is so slow today and exactly what you can do about it. We'll cover why your hosting setup might be the biggest bottleneck, how plugins and themes could be killing your performance, what kind of ongoing optimization WordPress demands and what happens if you skip it, and the alternative you could use to solve all these problems with no extra plugins, patchwork fixes or late night security updates. So if you're tired of paying for performance you never actually get, let's get into it. Hosting, where WordPress starts slowing down. One of the most overlooked reasons your WordPress site is slow is your hosting. WordPress doesn't come with hosting, so you have to pick a provider yourself. GoDaddy, Bluehost, SiteGround, whatever. And unless you're paying for premium managed hosting, chances are it's slow. Shared hosting plans, outdated servers, and poorly configured environments throttle your performance. On top of that, you're responsible for setting up caching, CDN, backups, and everything else. The problem? If we look at the Portent report, a site that loads in 1 second has a conversion rate that's 3 times higher than a site that loads in 5 seconds. Load time from 1 to 4 seconds drops conversions by over 25%. This has a huge impact on business results that could be fixed with simple, better hosting. Optimization. Every WordPress site needs to be manually optimized. That means installing caching plugins, manually compressing images, minifying your code, removing unused scripts, and updating everything constantly. Skip any of this, your site slows down, or worse, breaks. Optimizing your site can be a headache, and even when it's done, it's easy to break something or forget a step. Additionally, if you don't have an in-house development team, you'll need to hire a dev to do everything for you every fix. And there can be a lot of fixes on WordPress, which can be a significant cost. Plugins. WordPress's greatest feature and its biggest problem. WordPress is built on plugins, but that flexibility comes at a huge cost. The average WordPress site uses 20 plus plugins, all developed by different people with different code quality, security standards, and update cycles. These plugins don't talk to each other. They often break sites. They add weight to your pages, and they are a huge attack factor for hackers. Even basic features like SEO, forums, or caching require plugins. And the more you stack, the more brittle everything becomes. And the more times you'll need a developer to come in and fix simple things again. Themes. Pretty on the outside, slow on the inside. WordPress themes look good on the surface, but under the hood, they are often bloated with unnecessary code, unused features, and legacy scripts. You buy a theme, install it, and then spend weeks trying to remove stuff you don't need just to make it faster. Or worse, you hire a dev to custom code it, which defeats the point of using WordPress in the first place. If your site is slow, it might be because your whole theme is bloated and is slowing it down a lot. And switching it could mean a big jump in site speed and conversion because of it. What to do about it and the best alternative. One of the best alternatives to solve these problems on the market is Webflow. Here's how Webflow directly solves each of the major pain points that slow WordPress down. Hosting. With WordPress, hosting is entirely your responsibility. You have to compare providers, set everything up manually, and hope it can handle your traffic. In Webflow, hosting is built in, blazing fast, and globally distributed through AWS and Fastly. It just works. You get lightning fast load speeds and 99.9% uptime without managing a thing. Optimization. WordPress performance depends on how well you optimize it. Image compression, code minification, caching, all handled by separate tools or developers. Webflow handles all of this automatically. Clean semantic code, built-in asset optimization, and zero need for external speed plugins. Plugins. WordPress requires plugins for even basic functionality like SEO, forms, and caching. This leads to plugin bloat, conflicts, and maintenance issues. Webflow replaces this with built-in tools and a vetted app marketplace, so you only add what's necessary and everything is compatible. And it never slows your site down. Themes. In WordPress, you're either stuck with restrictive themes or forced to use custom code. Many themes are bloated and hard to customize without breaking something. Webflow gives you full design freedom through a visual editor, so you can build exactly what you want without compromising speed or structure. And your marketing team can make all the changes without developers. If you're tired of babysitting your site just to make it load fast, Webflow isn't just an alternative, it's the upgrade. Now, if you want a more detailed breakdown of how Webflow and WordPress compare, we'll show in our next video what you can expect if you move to Webflow and how it will impact your site and business. Click here to watch that now.